Innovation is one of the major aspects in entrepreneurship world. As an entrepreneur, every day you have to wake up with a new idea, and that means you have to be innovative every day. Now, an entrepreneur mindset is all about growth. So every day you have to come up with new idea to solve maybe a pain point in the world or in the industry that's maybe you're currently into. Now, as you know, AI has come to simplify things. Another aspect of many people is that AI is here to take our jobs. AI is here to get our opportunities. But if we look at it, AI is here to help you as an entrepreneur to become more innovative. That means to speed up your growth, because as an entrepreneur, your mindset every day is growth. Like how you were yesterday, today you have to wake up to be better than you were yesterday. So AI is here to help us now fasten the growth. And if you're an entrepreneur, that means you already maybe have your business in place. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can run a smart business. I know people say hard work pays, but that's not really it. I'll say it's work smart for you now to see that fast growth. How do you build this smart business model? Now, let's say for example, a person with a hardworking mindset will wake up every day at 6 to make sure they have sent like 200 emails. Every day you set your alarm at 6 and you make sure you have sent the 200 emails to your clients. But if you want to work smart, you will use AI to automate emails. Let's say for example, a tool like Notion, where you set emails actually like a month prior, where the emails will just be sending automatic, and now you can use this other time to do something else. So this is what is called smart business model. And with AI, things have been simplified in a way. Let's say for example, before you head to now, let's say like every weekend, because I've seen most of the businesses, especially in Kenya, do this. Like they set a day, like on Saturday, that's when they say they'll be taking their stock, see what's remaining in the inventory, maybe what to restock. But right now with AI, you can just have your stocking system where when you sell, everything is recorded. When stock coming, everything is recorded. So this time on Saturdays, rather than having the employees do the restocking, counting items, which actually it's like a very tiresome work, you can use now Saturday maybe to re-strategize the week, or maybe implement other things for the employees to do rather than having this tiresome work, since AI is here to simplify every work for you, especially as a business owner. So there are very many tools, like for example Notion or Zoho, where you can just record your stocks. So when you sell, you know what is being sold out there, you know what's remaining in stock. And for example, another thing, let's say you, like for a hardworking entrepreneur, you will wake up like every day planning who to meet, the meetings to set up, so you wake up every day like a hardworking person. But if you want to work smart, use something like Google Calendar, where you can set even your meetings like even a month or 2 months before. So even if something comes up, you already know what's in place for this month or in the coming 2 months. So with Google Calendar, it gives you now an option to plan things before, so you'll know what you're supposed to do maybe like on Friday. So even if something comes up, you have your plan planned out very well, and this will help you not to overload your schedule or overload your employee schedule, since you already have everything planned in place. When you wake up with a plan, that means you are ready for that day. Another thing is collaboration tools. Like nowadays, business owners are opting for social media managers, content creators who are not like the 9 to 5 employees. That means you operate with them remotely most of the time, and with an AI tool, there is a workflow system laid out where you can collaborate with them efficiently, so you know what to share with them, or you have a plan in place so you can be able to monitor the projects that you're running. You can be able to monitor whatever they are doing, and you can be able to collaborate with them, where you can also hold meetings, the virtual meetings, and this will help your business run efficiently, and this will also keep you up to date with whatever project or whatever operation is going on with the employees or with other collaborators that you're working with to grow your business. Now, how do you come up with this smart business model? The first thing you do, you first find a pain point in your business. Does the inventory, keeping up with the inventory, like the stock remaining, or let's say just the major stocking, is it do you have to recheck every now and then on how the stock is doing? That can be a pain point. Or are you having a tough time collaborating with your team? Or are you having a hard time with plans, since plans or things arise every now and then? So first find that pain point in your business. Second, find the best tool that you can use now to solve that pain. Let's say, like for planning, you can use Google Calendar. For collaboration, there are various tools out there. There is Slack, there is Google Teams, there are a lot of AI tools out there. Third, since you have your employees in place, it's always good to maximize their skills, so you can train them to use now the AI that you want to introduce, or the tool that you want to introduce to your business, and train them. And since at the end of the goal, or at the end of the day, you're looking for the growth for your business. After that, after training your employees, that's not the end of it. So now measure and optimize what is working for you, or where you wanna improve. A growth mindset is every day coming up with an innovative idea where you level up from the position you were yesterday. Now, as an entrepreneur, this is the mindset. You're not a hardworking person, but you are a smart thinker. And with this, every day you wake up to be a better person. And when you're a better person in everything you do, regardless if you're running a business or you as a personal, like you as a person, that means every day you wake up to be a better person than you were yesterday. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and comment below the tool that you have explored as an entrepreneur, or a tool you want to explore, and let's connect to having this growth mindset.